Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you. Okay, for today's class, I want you to open page 60. Okay, we are going to see an opinion essay. Okay, opinion means pendapat, essay adalah karangan. So, kita akan belajar and I will show you the sample of the opinion essay. Okay, so before we go further, okay, I want you to read together, okay, the essay there with the title, Will People Ever Live on the Moon? That is the question there. Adakah orang akan tinggal di bulan? Moon is bulan lah. That is showing on the picture. That is the picture of moon. So, we read, okay, you read together with the speaker, and then you have to decide whether you agree with the opinion in paragraph B and C. So you can see that there are 4 paragraphs, A, B, C, and D. So you have to understand what the speaker is trying to discuss with us about will people ever live on the moon. So there is 2 opinion there, B and C. So we read together and you try to understand what is the text is about, and you come up with one conclusion whether you agree with opinion B or C. So I will play the audio right now. You read together.
Unit 5. Writing. An opinion essay. Exercise 1.
Will people ever live on the moon? Many people like the idea of going on holiday to the moon. But will anyone actually live there in the future? Scientists have different opinions on this subject. On the one hand, the number of people on Earth is growing and we are destroying our natural environment. If we aren't careful, one day we won't have any food or energy. If this happens, we will need to find a new place to live.
Okay, so that is what have been said in paragraph B. Okay, basically it's about telling us about the situation on Earth right now. So on Earth right now, there are so many people. Okay, there is million of people lives or billions of people lives on Earth. So because of we have so many people here, at the same time we are destroying our natural environment. Maksudnya kita telah memusnahkan alam sekitar kita lah. Okay. And also if we aren't be careful, one day we won't have any food or energy. Okay. So when the environment, the natural environment has been destroyed, okay, we don't have enough energy lah. Okay. Bila banyak kemusnahan, maka kita tak ada bekalan tenaga yang mencukupi. So when this happen, okay, we don't have place to live, so we need to find a new place. Okay, so sebab terlampau crowded dan dah tak ada sumber, so menyebabkan kita perlu mencari tempat yang barulah untuk tinggal. That is opinion B. Okay, let's hear what opinion C said.
On the other hand, the moon isn't a very comfortable place for human beings. There isn't any air or water, and the temperature is too hot or too cold. Maybe we will be able to improve conditions on the moon, but it will be very difficult. In conclusion, I don't think people will ever live on the moon. In my opinion, the Earth is a better place for human beings.
Okay, so in paragraph C, basically it also tells about if we decide to live in the at moon, okay, it also not the comfortable place at all. Maksudnya walaupun kita decide untuk tinggal di bulan, kita still akan menghadapi masalah sebab keadaan, because of the environment, the situation at the moon. Okay, so we can see there isn't air or water. Okay, when we go to the moon, there is no water and air. Maksudnya tiada udara dan juga tiada air lah. Okay, and also the temperature. Temperature sometimes can be too cold, sometimes can be too hot. Maksudnya kadang-kadang terlampau tinggi, kadang-kadang terlampau sejuk lah. So our body cannot handle this kind of situation. Okay. So maybe they say we will be able to improve condition on the moon, but it will be very difficult. Okay, so maybe kita boleh atasi kesusahan, difficulties atau masalah yang kita akan hadapi di bulan, tapi it's not easy. Maksudnya bukan sesuatu yang mudah lah. Okay, so secara kesimpulannya, we can say that I don't think people will ever live on the moon. Okay. So dia rasa manusia tak sesuai lah untuk tinggal di bumi. Not di bumi, di bulan. Kerana dia cakap the earth is better place for human being. Okay, bumi adalah tempat yang terbaik untuk manusia. Okay, so that is what the article is about, the opinion about. Okay, it give us some situation if we decide to live in on earth. Not on earth, on moon. Okay, there are so many problems that we have to face lah kalau kita decide untuk tinggal di bulan. Ada banyak masalah sebenarnya. Okay, so that is number 1. Okay, let's go to number 2. Okay, number 2 is the writing focus. It's just the something that you have to know when you are writing. Okay, on the other one hand and on the other hand. Okay, in an opinion essay, we can make the two possible opinions clear with the phrases on the one hand and on the other hand. We often use them at the beginning of paragraphs. On the one hand, computers are already very intelligent. On the other hand, they haven't got feelings like human beings. Okay, so when you have the two ideas that are contradict to each other, okay, kamu boleh gunakan perkataan on the other hand and also on the one hand. Okay, bila kamu nak menerangkan dua idea yang contradict. Contradict tu maksudnya maksud dia berbeza. Okay, let's go to number 3. What you need to do in number 3 is look at the essay again. In which paragraph does the writer? Okay, so there are 4 questions there. You have to read every statement there and then you have to decide, okay, which paragraph stated about that. Maksudnya kamu baca setiap nombor di situ, 1, 2, 3 dan 4. Okay, kemudian kamu tentukan, okay, di mana, paragraph yang mana menceritakan tentang statement itu. Okay, yang menceritakan tentang pernyataan tersebut. Nombor 1, 2, 3 dan 4. Okay, so you have to refer to the article. Will people ever live on the moon? Okay, that is number 3. Okay, that is number 3. And then you got number 4. Copy and complete the notes for paragraph B and C of a different essay with your own yes and no reason. Okay, so these are another opinion essay title. Okay, you don't have to write the essay actually. You have just to come up with some phrases. Okay, so the title is Will Computer Ever Think Like Human Beings? Maksudnya adakah komputer akan berfikir sama seperti manusia? Okay, so there are 2 choices there. Yes, maybe they will because. Okay, first what? They are already intelligent. Number 2 what? Number 3 what? Okay, so if you say yes, maksudnya kamu setuju bahawa komputer akan boleh berfikir seperti manusia. Okay, you have to give the reason. Kena bagi tahu sebab. Okay, so sebab yang pertama telah diberi. They are already very intelligent. So you have to think about reason number 2 and also number 3. Okay, same like C. C if you say no. Okay, maksudnya you tak bersetuju yang komputer boleh berfikir seperti manusia. So C, no, they probably won't because. Okay, again you kena bagi sebab juga, bagi reason. Okay, the first reason have been given there, then don't have feeling. So kamu tak setujulah bahawa komputer tu boleh berfikir seperti manusia kerana they don't have feeling. Maksudnya mereka tidak mempunyai perasaan sama macam manusia. How about reason number 2 and 3? You have to think about it. Okay, maksudnya kena fikirlah sebab untuk number 2 dan number 3. Okay, I think that's all for today. I really hope that you can do it. Page 60 in your textbook. Okay, I see you in the next class. Bye guys. Okay, just to remind you, don't forget to write down your name in the list in the WhatsApp group so that I can check the attendance. Okay, meaning to say those who have submit the work, I consider that you are attend my class. Maksudnya you hadir lah, dikira hadir. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.